There are a lot of fees involved in the sale of a home. Some sellers assume they'll receive the price that it sells for, minus commissions paid to their agent, and then later discover that their calculations don't quite add up. In this video, we'll take a brief look at the fees involved in selling your home and other financial factors you need to be aware of in calculating the profit after you sell. In general, most home sales in California will have a total cost between 6 to 8% of the sales price. For a quick calculation of the approximate net proceeds, most sellers will then receive about 93% of what it sells for. This will include sale costs of broker commissions, title company insurance, and escrow fees, recording fees, city and county transfer taxes, any mandatory seller reports, and required retrofitting actions. Of course, there might be other expenses negotiated during the sales process, which would either lower the sale price or increase the cost paid. To calculate the taxes due will require that you have a record of your own purchase price, as well as any actual improvements that you've made in your years of ownership. Your tax accountant or preparer can advise you of the federal and state taxes, which will generally be based on the actual net proceeds from the sale, minus your original purchase price and total costs of those improvements that you've made. They'll also note the present exemption from federal capital gains tax, which is $250,000 per person if you're married. There's no way to avoid the taxes due by purchasing an investment property with the sale proceeds, unless your home was used as a rental property for at least 2 years. Then it's what's called a 1031 exchange, and there's a complex set of rules and procedures to use this approach. If you would like to sell your home with confidence for the highest price and the least stress possible, make sure you check out our Home Seller's Guide. Click the link in the description below to download it. It's available for free, and it's full of practical tips to help assure a smoother and more successful home selling experience. Please click the link now to download the guide so you can sell your home with confidence. And if you're an active buyer, please check out the many articles on our site that include time-tested tips about how to succeed in the process.